Empty vessels make the most sound. The phrase empty vessels make the most sound means that people who are ignorant or have little knowledge on a particular subject often talk the most, while those who are knowledgeable and experienced tend to speak less. This can be observed in various situations, such as in group discussions or public speeches. People who lack understanding or are insecure may speak more to appear knowledgeable, while those who are confident in their expertise may speak less and listen more. In essence, the phrase emphasizes the importance of listening and learning before speaking and the danger of assuming expertise without understanding the subject. It is a reminder to be humble, curious, and open-minded in all discussions and interactions. Thanks for watching this video.